everybody, and welcome back to Beauty Disclosure. My name is Jenna. A few weeks ago I did a video using the Sensational at home gel kit. It was a tutorial and it kind of went through everything you need to know about doing your nails at home. And yeah, I really enjoyed making it, so I hope you guys liked it too. I spotted another kind of gel nail kit which I thought would be really good to review as well. This is the Express gel nail kit. This is a Sensational one again, and you do it yourself at home. All you need is a light. So what it is basically a one-step colour. It's this one here, so as you can see here, Sensational gel nail colour, and the colour is a very nude, natural, muted tone, which is kind of, you know, everyday if you want it to look nice, but you still want your nails to look kind of nice and fancy. So this is the colour here, which is called, funnily enough, called I Sleep Bare Naked. But I thought I'd give this a go because it doesn't require a base coat. It has everything in just this one nail varnish. It has the base coat, the colour, and the top coat. So literally all you have to do is just put on a layer of this, put it under your nails under the lamp, put on another layer, put your nails under the lamp, and you're done. So I thought it might be quite well worth giving it a go and see if they'll last. It's only meant to last a week to 2 weeks, but I will get back to you after a week and I will let you know. So here we go. Let's see how it goes. So this is how the Sensational Express gel nail polish works. So each nail gets 2 coats. Each coat gets 30 seconds underneath the light. It is super easy to do and the colour came out so well. In the other Sensational, I kind of felt that you needed to do minimum of 2 coats, and in some colours almost 3 coats, just to make sure that the colour came through. But with this one, the pigment was right there. It wasn't see-through, it wasn't opaque, nothing like that. It was actually really strong colour, great pigment, and it just goes on so easily. It's just almost like doing a normal nail varnish, but all you're doing is put underneath the light. Just for 30 seconds, both coats, and it really is that simple. I would really like to know what the other colours are like, if they are as good as this and as strong as this one. But yeah, as you can see, the colour is very much there, very strong, and does a great job. So that was the tutorial. I actually really like it. This is the finished results. I think they are super pretty, and considering it's how easy it was to actually do, it was just the gel nail, 2 coats of this under a lamp, and it was so easy. Love the colour. It came through just, even with the first coat, the colour was really strong and was really pigmented and was really there. I'm really intrigued to see how long they will last. It says between 1 to 2 weeks. I don't know, but I'm really impressed so far. It was super quick, super easy, and love the colour. Just gives my nails like a really nice glow. And yeah, I can't believe how quick that was. It's basically just as long as doing, probably even quicker than having to do 2 coats of just a normal nail varnish. And the only thing you need is the Sensational lamp, which I find incredibly helpful. Whoever made it was very clever. They knew their stuff. It switches itself off, which I think is very handy, because I do think that you're not going to waste, you know, power, electricity and things like that, and it's very efficient. So I'm going to get back to you. I so far really impressed. Loved the coverage, loved the colour, and I will get back to you in a week's time and I will let you know if it has lasted, if it is worth buying. Okay, see you later. Hey guys, it is, I think it's actually 8 days later, so I just wanted to do a quick update and tell you my thoughts on the nail varnish. I did like how quick and easy it was, but let me just show you what it's like now. So I've got almost nothing on this nail here. It did crack here, and this one here is badly chipped right at the tip of the nail there. The rest of them aren't too bad. The actual nail varnish, you know, considering it says it's meant to be a week, I would say it does a pretty good job. All the nails there, this one's got a few tiny chips, but kind of all the nails where you're not getting the most use out of, you know, I think it lasts longer. You know, this is my dominant hand, and I think that's why this one's worn off a bit quicker. You know, I do have 3 kids and a dog, so you know, I am constantly cleaning and tidying, and you know, car seats and all sorts. So so yeah, I do wear. I think that's why normal nail varnish just doesn't work for me, because I don't know, I guess I'm just too rough, too heavy-handed. So anyways, I actually really liked it. How easy it was to do the express. It was so easy. Everything was just 2 coats of it. It was lovely. It was so quick. So if you're a mum like me and you don't have much time, this is just such a quick way of doing it. It doesn't last as long as like more professional gel nail kits or some of the other kits you can get, but it definitely lasts longer than just normal nail varnish. So I like it for that reason. It does last long. The colour stays really well, and it's just so easy to do. It's basically just like doing normal nail varnish, but you're just putting it under the lamp. So yeah, I'm happily going to use it again. If there's any other products by Sensational or some other companies you guys like that I haven't tried, let me know. Let me know your thoughts as well on the Sensational and my other video that I did with the Sensational. Let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you, that would be great. And yes, I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.